Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session, we will learn how to create structured storage. I'm using Visual Studio 2015. We will create a project. I will first create an empty solution. I will name it Structured Storage Solution. In the Solution Explorer, right-click, Add New Project, Win32 Console Application, 01, Create Structured Storage. Click OK. Next, Console Application, Finish. At this point here, we will include Windows Edge, and we will also include IStream. Okay, save it. Now close it. Here we will change it to tmain int argc wide character t constant argv, like this. If argc is not true, std cout provide file name to create. Std and then return 0. At this point, double character t constant pointer file name argv1. We will get a file name. We get file to create, file name to create from command line argument. Step 1. Create structured storage called file name. Create a structured storage. Then here h result hr, we use stg create create storage, this function. So the first argument is file name. Then the second is grf mode. This will be StgM create, StgM read write, StgM share exclusive. This is access mode, creation and access mode. Then StgFmt storage. This is StgFmt StgFmt storage means a compound file. Then StG option, we will put attribute will be null. This is attribute Then option will be null. StG option. Then security descriptor will be null. Default security. Then IID, interface ID, IID, IStorage. Interface ID, storage. Interface ID. Then object open. Void p root storage. We have to declare p root storage, IStorage, p root storage null, like this. This is step 1. If failed, we can say if failed, or okay, we can do this, or we can also do this. P root storage. This actually means this, so we can do this. std cout wcout. Step 1, failed to create file name std and there, then we return. We failed to create in this case. Or now step 2, we create a storage. Storage is like, or we can regard storage as a virtual folder. Storage is like a virtual folder, and structural storage or virtual volume. Okay. Step 2, HR p root storage. Please note that this is the storage. This is return value. So here we use create storage. Then we need to provide storage name. Wide character T. STOR storage name. We will name my info storage. Okay. Then here storage name. Then create mode StgM create. Then StgM read write. Then StgM share exclusive. Then reserved, it should be 0. Reserved should be 0. Then storage p my info storage. Here IStorage p my info storage. Okay. This is step 2. If failed, HR, or we can say p my info storage std wcout. Step 2, failed to create storage. storage name, std, and then we have to before we return, we have to close root storage p root storage. We have to release it. This step we have to release before we exit. Okay, so return 0. Now step 3, we create a stream or virtual file. Wide character T, stream name, my info stream, IStream, p my info stream, hr. We are using this storage pointer p here, p my info storage CreateStream. We are creating stream name, StgCreateStream name. Then write mode StgM, read, create. We have to create StgM read write, StgM share exclusive, reserved 0, reserved 0. Then p my info stream. Okay, if failed hr or p my info stream std wcout. Step 3, failed to create stream, StgCreateStorageEx stream name, std, and there we have to close, we have to release interface pointers p my info storage release, p my root storage, p root storage release. Okay, then return. At this point, now this is step 3. Now we can write step 4, write contents to the stream, p my info stream write. Okay, here character proper, my name is Thomas Kim, you long ul vice to write, strlen proper, size of u long ul bytes written. So here HR, it should be void pointer. We have to cast it void pointer buffer. Then this is count of byte, so UL bytes to write. Then UL bytes written. Okay. At this point, if UL bytes to write equals UL bytes written STD cout write StgCreateStorageEx successful, else std cout write failed std and here now we have to release std cout, press any key to continue. std cin get. Now before we close this application, we have to release all resources. We have to release all interface pointers. P my info stream release. P my info storage release. P root storage release. Now save all. Control F7 to compile. Okay, we built successfully. Right click, build. Go to the folder. Here, copy the folder path, copy. Here, so O1 create structured storage. We will name it my first Tom's info STG. See, write successful. If we say Tom's info was created. Okay. Please note that the first step we create a structured storage. We can regard the structured storage. We first create a structured storage. We can regard it as a virtual volume. We can regard a structured storage as a virtual volume, and we can regard a storage object as a virtual folder, and we can regard a stream object as a virtual file. Okay, please remember this concept. Then we will create another project. We will add another project, O2 read structured structured storage with structured storage. Okay. Next, console application, finish. Right click, set as startup project. Then here we will include Windows, include IStream. Then we will include one more, IOH. Okay, this is for WACCEXS function. Okay. We will use this function to test if file exists. Then we close all. Open this document again here. For does file exist? W character T constant file name. Then we can test if file exists. WACCEXS. This is file name. Access mode will be 0. For more information, please refer to this documentation. Okay, I will copy this. Copied. Please refer to this document. Now we will turn it to Unicode mode. INT ARGC W character T constant pointer ARGB. Okay, if ARGC are 2, STD W cout. Provide file name to read. STD and there return 0. Then we also need to test if does file exist. File name wide character T constant file name RGB1. Okay, file does not exist. Then std wcout file name it should be L. Does not exist. std and L, then return. Now step 1, open the structured storage file. Say h result hr stg open storage ex. Okay, the first argument is file name, so it should be file name. Then open this mode stgm read write stgm share exclusive. Then the next is stgm format stgm fmt storage. It means a compound file. Then attribute we will put 0 attribute, default attribute, and STG option will be null. STG option, then security descriptor null, default security, then interface ID void pointer p root storage. Here ID IStorage p root storage. Okay, this is step 1. Structured, we can regard a structured storage as a virtual volume. So we are opening a virtual volume. Okay. Step 2. No. If failed HR, or it means the same thing, p root storage std wc out. Step 1 failed to open file name std and return 0. Okay. Step 2, open the storage object. We can regard a storage object as a virtual folder. Wide character T storage name say storage name should be this my info storage, and IStorage p my info storage. Now we are opening HR p root storage OpenStorage. Okay, the first thing should be storage name, then priority, this should be null, priority, then mode, access mode, STGM, read, write, STGM, share, exclusive. Okay, then SNB exclude, it should be 0, SNB exclude, then reserved 0, then storage pointer. Okay. If failed, HR, or we can say P my info storage. STD WC out step. This is step 2. Failed to open storage name. Before we return, we have to release P root storage release return 0 here. Now we open stream. This is step 2. Step 3, open a stream. We can regard a stream object as a virtual file. Double character T stream name. Stream name should be my info stream. My info stream. IStream interface. P my info stream. HR. We are using this pointer, storage pointer. P my info storage open stream. This is stream name STREAM. Reserved. The next argument is reserved, should be null. Then GRE mode. Then GRE mode should be STGM. GRF mode should be STGM. Read or write. Read or write. STGM. Share. Exclusive. Then reserved 0. Then P my info stream pointer. If failed, HR or P my info stream STD WC out. Step 3, failed to open stream stream name STD, and there we have to close, we have to release the open interface pointers. P my info storage release. P my IP root storage release. No. Okay. then return. Here, now we write read step 4, read contents of the stream. So P my info stream read. So we need a buffer. We will make enough big buffer. Character buffer, we will make it unsigned long, UL buffer size like this. Then it should be constant, otherwise we cannot specify here. UL buffer size ulong ul bytes read hr this is void pointer buffer buffer size ul buffer size -1 for terminating null character. Then ul bytes read. Okay, if ul bytes read equals ul byte buffer size it greater than 0, then buffer ul bytes read we terminate null. Then we display std cout contents. We say string contents buffer std and there. I will put square bracket like this. Else std cout step 4 failed to read stream contents std and there. Now std cout press any key to continue. std cin get. Now we have to release all interface pointers. P my info stream release P my info storage release P root storage release. Ctrl F7 to compile. We made a mistake here. We have to provide interface ID, IID storage. Like this, we have to fix like this. Save, Control F7. Sorry, Control F7. Okay, we built successfully. Now right click, build. I will just say rebuild the solution. Okay, everything built successfully here. So O2 read structured storage forms info StG. Wow, see, string contents, my name is Thomas Kim. Okay, so this way we can implement our how can I say, our program, structured storage. I will change it a little bit before I close to help you understand. I would say 3. I will change it 3 like this, and wide character T constant text buffer. I would say buffer and ARGB 2. Okay, here I will change with this one first. 3. Provide file name to create cout and text to write. Okay, SDD and L. So the first is file name, wide character T constant buffer like this, ARGB 2. Save. Then here we'll change this part. We don't need it. It should be WSTR WCSLEN times W character T. Okay, we are changing it, and the remainder is the same. Okay, we fixed this. Here std wcr and no, we don't need this. We don't need to change this part. We will just 2, and here we will make it big. Times 2, and here buffer size, it should be 2, buffer size 2 for null terminating character. Okay, Then we can say bytes read. Sorry, we will do like this. Here it should be wide character T like this, and byte size U long UL bytes UL byte size. Byte size will be UL buffer size times size over wide character T. This is byte size, okay? Then here we'll -1. -1 for terminating null character. Then here we have to, it should be UL byte size. Okay. Then here we have to divide by 2. Then L. Then it should be W. So we are reading a wide character buffer. Save. Now build all solution. Okay. Here we will create first. Create structured storage my info StG. Sorry, I am 18 years old. Okay, now we read it. O2 read structured storage my info StG. Okay, so we have wrote information I am 18 years old using the first create structured storage program. Then read structured storage, we read the text correctly like this. I hope you understand this mechanism. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In future sessions we will deal with more advanced technique for structured storage. Thank you for watching.